So guys, we're back. So what I'll be doing next is I'm going to take the rear bumper and I'm going to take it completely apart. I will give it all a nice clean, and while I'm doing that, my brother is going to finish up the sanding of the box. So let's do this. And we got this whole process done with sanding it and yeah, giving it the final sanding procedure here. My brother and my dad did that. Yeah, mainly my dad, and then Phil, like my brother, he just went over it with by hand. And so yeah, it's very smooth, and I think it will look really good. So the next process is just cleaning it and then doing some primer. So now that I finished cleaning the bumper, I put some rust protector on it, and yeah, so I'm gonna put it all back together just the way I got it off of there. So let's get that done.
So what we got planned for right now is we're gonna get going with the bed liner. We're gonna get on that rock guard, and then we're gonna move on from there. guys, so we just got the rock art all done on the bed liner. Funny thing is that we would have done the painting first before the rock arting. Would be much easier, obviously, but we were waiting for the paint guns, and the funny thing is they literally just arrived. If we knew that they arrived this early, we wouldn't have gone ahead and did the rock art. But now that it's done already, it's done, and we can move on to the painting from there. Guys, we're finally ready, so let's get this painting process started.
So guys, we've come to the end of the video. We got a lot done. We got the painting process done. We got the rock art on the bed liner done. And you know what? It's looking pretty good. And we got a lot more to do, but I mean, that's what we're here for. We want to get this truck completely done. So if you guys liked this video, like and subscribe. And yeah, if you guys like my brother here walking around randomly behind me, then, you know, keep following for more, because he does all kinds of weird stuff. So yeah. So yeah, if you guys like this, then just keep following. We'll catch you guys next time.